Welcome to the Medora Cosmetics Factory, where every shade of confidence begins its journey. This is where raw materials are transformed into beautiful Medora lipsticks. Before production begins, every worker follows strict hygiene protocols. Proper PPE ensures the highest quality and safety standards for Medora lipsticks. This is the heart of the factory, a highly controlled environment where precision and cleanliness are paramount for creating premium lipstick. High-quality natural waxes, oils, and cosmetic-grade pigments arrive here. Only the finest ingredients are selected for Medora lipsticks. Exact measurements are critical. Each batch follows Medora's carefully guarded formula to ensure consistent color, texture, and performance. Before anything enters the production process, every raw material for Medora lipstick undergoes strict inspection and sorting to maintain the highest purity standards.
Natural waxes are meticulously cleaned. Even the smallest particle is removed so that the final Medora lipstick remains smooth and safe.
All oils and butters are triple filtered. This step ensures Medora lipsticks have a creamy, impurity-free texture.
Batch A4567 approved. Batch A4568 approved. Batch A4569 approved.
Cleaned materials now travel through an air purification tunnel before entering the core processing stage.
Batch 472, cleaned and ready.
Confirmed. Looks good. Handing over. Double check. Thanks. Moving to
Processing.
Final sanitization of all equipment and materials guarantees a completely hygienic environment for Medora lipstick manufacturing. After thorough cleaning and sorting, the finest ingredients are now ready for the core processing stage of Medora lipstick production. Now in the core processing stage, the finest cleaned ingredients for Medora lipstick enter the main mixer where the real transformation begins. The base waxes are melted completely. Precise temperature control is essential for Medora lipstick's smooth and creamy finish.
Signature Medora pigments are now added. This is where each shade gets its rich, vibrant identity.
The base is prepared in this powerful mixer. Waxes and oils are heated to the perfect temperature before pigments are introduced. This is where Medora's signature shades come to life. Pigments are carefully blended to achieve rich, long-lasting, and smooth color payoff. All ingredients combine into one perfect batch. Temperature and viscosity are constantly monitored for flawless results. High shear mixing ensures even color distribution. Every drop of Medora lipstick will have consistent, flawless pigmentation. The mixture now passes through the high-pressure homogenizer. This critical step breaks down ultra-smooth, creamy, and long-wearing texture. The mixture is now stabilized at ideal temperature. This ensures perfect pouring consistency for every Medora lipstick bullet. Air bubbles are completely removed under vacuum. This step prevents any imperfections in the final Medora lipstick shape. Final color verification is done. Only when it perfectly matches Medora standards does the batch proceed. The core processing is now complete. The perfected molten Medora lipstick is ready for shaping and molding. Core processing of Medora lipstick is finished. From raw ingredients to perfect molten formula, every step perfected with precision. Each bullet is carefully inspected for shape and surface quality before moving to the next shaping stage. The filled molds now enter the cooling tunnel. Controlled temperature drop transforms the liquid into solid lipstick bullets. Through precise cooling, the Medora lipstick takes its iconic bullet shape. Every piece is uniform and flawless. The solid lipstick bullets are now carefully released from their molds. This is the moment the Medora lipstick takes its final form. Each bullet is carefully inspected for shape and surface quality before moving to the next shaping stage. The solid lipstick bullet is now precisely inserted into its branded Medora tube using automated assembly for perfect fit and hygiene. The twist-up mechanism is securely assembled at the base. This gives every Medora lipstick its smooth and reliable elevation system. The final decorative cap is fitted and sealed with precision. This completes the physical assembly of each Medora lipstick.
A final surface refinement gives Medora lipsticks their luxurious, silky smooth finish.
In the precision finishing stage, every Medora lipstick undergoes thorough ionized air cleaning to eliminate even the smallest particles and ensure a pristine, premium look. A highly controlled flame polish now gives each Medora lipstick bullet its signature silky smooth surface and luxurious glossy shine. Every single Medora lipstick is now subjected to rigorous high-intensity visual and automated inspection to maintain the highest quality standards. A final anti-dust treatment ensures every Medora lipstick stays perfectly clean and protected until it reaches the customer. Skilled workers perform final random manual verification to ensure Medora's world-class quality in every single piece. Lipsticks are now automatically sorted by shade, preparing them for final quality control and packaging. Precision finishing is now complete. Each Medora lipstick has been cleaned, polished, refined, and perfected to the highest standard. The precision finishing stage for Medora lipstick is now complete. From raw material to this flawless product, every detail has been perfected. Now begins the most critical stage, quality control and testing. Every Medora lipstick must pass multiple strict tests before approval. Drop and impact testing ensures the lipstick bullet stays firm and the twist mechanism remains smooth even after accidental falls. Heat stability testing confirms that Medora lipsticks will maintain their perfect shape even in warm conditions.
Color accuracy is verified under multiple light sources. Only lipsticks matching Medora's exact shade standards are approved. Match confirmed.
Experts test the application feel, opacity, and texture. Medora lipsticks must glide smoothly and deliver rich color. Cap fit and twist mechanism are rigorously tested. Every Medora lipstick must deliver a premium, effortless user experience. Final visual approval by senior quality controllers. Only perfect pieces receive the green approval.
This one passes.
Complete digital documentation and traceability records are maintained for every batch of Medora lipstick. Quality control and testing is now complete. Only the finest Medora lipsticks have passed every rigorous test and are ready for packaging. The final stage begins, packaging and dispatch. Every approved Medora lipstick now moves toward its beautiful presentation for customers. Each Medora lipstick is carefully placed into its branded tray, protecting the product and enhancing its premium presentation. Lipsticks are now packed into their attractive retail cartons. Every box reflects Medora's premium brand identity. Final labels, barcodes, and traceability codes are applied, completing the packaging process. Cartons are now rolled out as a card. Each pallet contains hundreds of perfectly finished Medora lipsticks. Pallets are stored in the climate-controlled warehouse, ready for distribution across Pakistan and international markets. The finished products are now loaded into distribution trucks, ready to reach beauty stores and customers. From raw materials to finished product, this is the complete journey of Medora lipstick.